Hiya and welcome to itsycrafty. This morning I have a Planners Anonymous unboxing of the striking Butterfly Skies subscription kit. I'll just take everything out of the plastic and be right back. This is the add-on paper pack and sticker pack, so we'll look at those at the end. This is the paper for the monthly subscription kit, and these are all of the other items in the monthly kit. So let's have a look at the paper first. First off, there's a butterfly page, blue and purple butterflies, absolutely striking, I love it. And on the back of that, a black watercolour. And then we've got a black background with all of these positive affirmation labels. And on the back of that, a purple, a bright purple. And then we've got leaves, lovely green leaves, blue and purple leaves, and a purple, almost an animal print background, a sort of a camouflagey background. And on the back of that, a very vibrant green watercolour to go with the green leaves here. And oh, pretty. Then there's a vellum. So the vellum is a see-through page. If I pop something behind it here, you can see it's a semi-transparent page and thinner than the card pages. And oh my goodness, it is gorgeous. These butterflies on it and then these flowers. It's stunning. Really pretty. And the acetate is gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. There's a whole lot of butterflies on the acetate. And that's just gorgeous. This is the paper and the specialty paper that comes in the Butterfly Skies kit. And now let's have a look at everything else. These are all the other goodies in the kit this month. So first of all, we've got this 4x6 inch card. Sometimes you have to face the darkness to become who you really are, and you truly are amazing, Renee. And that's Renee with her butterfly. And there's a list on the back there of everything that's in the kit. And the pen, oh my goodness, this pen, look at those crystals. So it has the Planners Anonymous etched along there, as it always does, and it's a silver hardware. Look at the blue of the barrel, and then those blues and purples in there. Wow, love it. Love, love, love the pen. We'll have a look at the washi at the end. First of all, we've got quote cards. So we've got Eat, Sleep, Wake Up, Beautiful. You Do You. Love that colour. Beautiful changes happen in the darkest of times. What if you fly? Never hide your true self. Be bold, be brave, be you. Ah, pretty. And there's the back of card with that butterfly right in the centre. So the 6 quote cards, and then we have the stamp set for the Butterfly Skies kit. So we've got Renee, and we've got some flowers, butterflies, leaves, and these here will make lovely layered butterflies, so you can use different ink colours. Pretty. I love the little heart, just the little heart stamp there. That'll be great for little checklists and things. And then we've got a bunch of die cuts and our 5x7 inch card. This feels, it's quite thick. It's quite a thick cardstock, and oh my goodness, it's beautiful. Brave wings, you will fly. Oh, it's so, so lovely. Just the changing, it's the life cycle of the butterfly. Just gorgeous. And look at that background too. Just so, so pretty. This one's definitely going in a frame. And then we've got a great bunch of die cuts here, and they're nice and thick as well. We've got I Am Unapologetically Me, some flowers, tiny little butterfly. Look, this butterfly is so teeny tiny. We've got Renee, Let's Do This. Oh, I'm going to just love all these butterflies. There's a bag, a vase, another gorgeous butterfly, nice green leaf, got amazing, we've got beautiful, another butterfly, another flower. Oh, that's pretty. A plant, another flower, and another leaf, and another nice big size book plate with gorgeous butterflies on it. Love this one. Love that butterfly. Something just went flying. I think it was this camera. And we've got headphones. Grow through what you go through. That's a nice bunch of die cuts, and they're so vibrant. The colours really are vibrant. Just gorgeous. And then we've got the special item for the month. So each month there's an item which changes from month to month. And this month it's this super cute little booklet. This is me. It's lovely smooth paper. And it goes through different pages. So we've got 3 words to describe myself, something I love about me, a quote to inspire, just a whole lot of prompts there, and then just a grid pattern for you to journal in there, so you can write and decorate, etc. And I think at the bottom there, that's size, so you can easily fit your 5mm washi along there. But that's lovely. I love that. And then to help you decorate that, there's these gorgeous stickers. Oh my goodness, this is like one of my most favorite sticker pages ever. These butterflies are stunning. And there's a page of these little labels in all of the colors of the kit. Loving this. Love. Can I say love enough? I can't. I'm loving that. And then we've got these stickers for the month. So these are the stickers that come in the monthly kit, and you can purchase the add-on stickers, which I have here, which we'll look at after this. This is the first page. This row of butterflies here. Oh my goodness, and these, just loving them. And then we've got other deco items. And then the icons for the month in the 4 main colours of the kit. They're really useful functional icons. I like them a lot. And then we've got our weekly headers, the folding planner sticker, where you fold the bits of the cover together, and then that can fold over and hide something in there in your planner, or just look cute. And we've got yay banners, which I love. And there's a preview there of the next kit. So that's called Under the Stars. And we've got 4 sheets of stickers there, as per usual. And then there's some of the most stunning washi ever. I have to look at this wide washi first, if I can find the end. Look at this. Look at all these beautiful butterflies. Oh my goodness, can you believe it? All those beautiful butterflies, and they've got little bits of foil on them. They are stunning. Totally stunning washi. Love it. And this is the 15mm washi. Let's have a look at this one. Oh, we've got the flowers and the butterflies and the leaves. Oh, it's gorgeous. And also the foil. Really bright colours this month, but just gorgeous. And this one here, this looks impressive. This is also foiled, but we've got, see the changing colour? Just gorgeous. Seriously, look at that. That is pretty. So that was everything in the standard monthly planner kit, and I feel like it was a lot. I really do. So let's have a look now at the add-on paper pack and add-on sticker kit. This is the add-on paper pack, so it's an additional 20 Australian dollars a month to subscribe to the add-on paper pack. This first page, it looks like the vellum. It's the pattern on the vellum with the gorgeous butterflies and the flowers and the leaves. And then on the back of that, this purple. So we have 2 pages of this paper. And then we've got towers of boxes, some sort of filing boxes, which could have anything in them, perhaps lots of planner goodies. And on the back of that is the pink. Oh, love it. Oh my goodness, and look at the colour on the back. I'm loving that. Look at this. This is a beautiful piece of paper. Love it. I need to stop saying love it, but I really do love it. And then, of course, we get an additional sheet of the vellum and the acetate in the add-on paper pack. Here we have the pages from the add-on paper pack for Butterfly Skies. And now let's have a look at the add-on sticker kit. This is the add-on sticker pack, also an additional cost per month, and we have Renee here with her little butterfly, and look at this sticker. That will look so gorgeous on the border of a page, and these butterflies here, and then these floral ones. Gosh. And then we've got the sticky notes, which I love, and 2 months of date dots. And this month we've got the bigger square dots and then the smaller circular dots. And then some nice borders which fit nicely in the column of a 1.5 inch planner. And then these boxes, like little window boxes with plants. And a whole page of things here, a whole page of quotes. It takes courage to be the real you. Loving that one. Be bold, be brave, be you. Never hide your true self. Nice. And then full boxes. So we've got 2 full boxes here. Loving this one. And a double box. So the double box will fit across 2 columns in your standard 1.5 inch planner page. Oh my goodness, look at that. It's like the 5x7 inch art card, but in a double box sticker. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So another page of full boxes. And then we've got butterflies, lots and lots of butterflies. And we've got Renee, and it looks like a younger version of Renee. Oh, pretty. These ferns are very pretty. Loving the ferns and just the colours in that. Loving it. And then we've got the pages for weekly headers and other splashes, full boxes, part boxes, etc. and little sticky notes. So they're much more functional stickers for the kit. So we've got those in a pink, a purple, a lovely, is it teal? I'm not very good with describing my colours, but a totally gorgeous colour. And a sort of a purpley blue. And then we've got a planner guy for the month and a younger version of him. These stickers seem to be a little bit out of a different order than usual, but I'm sure they're all there. They're just in a different order. And another gorgeous, gorgeous plant one. and these chairs that are popular at the moment, and the flat lays. So 4 different flat lays which repeat 3 times. And then we've got a page with let's do this, and we've got various little office sort of equipment. And the 2 pages of minis, which I love, love, love every month. We've got the page of Butterfly Skies ones, so the little miniature versions of the bigger people in the kit. With her, there's Renee with her little butterfly. Just loving it. And then the more functional minis, which just look so cute in a planner. I can't quite fit all the pages on shot today, but there are 18 of these pages in the sticker kit. So it's an amazing value, 18 pages for 20 Australian dollars. I'm loving them. I hope you've enjoyed my unboxing of Butterfly Skies by Planners Anonymous. Butterflies really mean something to me. I have a real heart connection with butterflies, so I'm very, very much liking this kit. And seriously, this is the most beautiful washi set and pen. Totally loving them, totally loving the butterflies, loving the bright colours. It's going to be heaps of fun to craft with. If you'd like to see some crafting with Planners Anonymous, I do have a playlist of various tutorials where I've crafted with the kit, and I have ideas for many, many more tutorials to come. Thanks so much for watching the video. I hope you've enjoyed it, and maybe I'll see you in my next one. Bye!